What is going on, guys? It's your boy Andy from Crypto Dealers in the house, and now we have to talk about danger zone for Bitcoin, yeah, because this pattern here, I will talk about this in detail, so stick with me, guys. So in the immediate short term, as you can see, I mean, we had this pattern here, yeah, and it broke down, and we already reached the technical price target of it. As you can see, it's down here, yeah. And this yellow line here marks the Bitcoin halving, yeah. And as you can see, it had a positive impact on the price, yeah. The price basically went up since then. And usually, I talked about this in my last video. Always after the halving, if you check the next year, the price goes up. After the first halving, you can see the price went up 8,000% within 1 year. After the second, 284%, and after the third halving, the price went up 559% within the next year. So, of course, it will not just shoot up the price in a straight line, guys. And if you also want to participate in trading and get the highest available sign-up bonuses, check the links down in the description. So let's talk about the bigger time frame, so to say, because as you can see here, we reached this target already, and now the danger zone, so to say, is this line here, yeah. Because if you break below this line with a 4-hourly close, you could potentially even open a short position. But if this line acts as support, you can potentially open a long position, yeah. You can see it here, easy to watch. Okay, this line here is acting as resistance, and this line is acting as support, and this line has been acting as support since 17th April, yeah. We touched basically we had some kind of fake out below it, and now this line gave us a couple of rejections here, and now this is acting as support. But if you check the RSI on the hourly time frame, it's in the oversold territory at the moment. So this could be an indication that we could see a bounce above this here, yeah. So there are two scenarios at the moment, guys. You either, yeah, go long here. For example, if you want to trade, you go long here with a stop loss below the red line, but you don't want to get wicked out, so don't use crazy high leverage. So you could either, because the RSI is in the oversold territory, enter long position, stop loss somewhere below here. Or if we see a confirmed breakdown would be, let's say, at least a 4-hourly close below this line, yeah. Then you could potentially enter a short position, and the target of the short position would be at around 60k, guys. Okay. Let me also show you the ETFs. Basically, they don't play a big role at the moment in the development of the Bitcoin price, because as you can see here, the volume is basically decreasing week by week. It's just getting lower, guys, yeah. Let me show what's going on with Ethereum. Easy to see what's going on. This yellow line here is the line that has been acting as support or resistance as of right now as support, because this is the line coming down from the, let's go to the 4-hourly, coming from the yearly high here, yeah. That you see how it works. And as of right now, yeah, we basically broke down here. Basically we got the rejection, because this green zone here has been acting as resistance since 13th April. You can see we got rejected here, almost touched it, got the rejection, and now we got another rejection. But the more often you test a support or resistance, the more likely this to get broken, yeah. And as of right now, this yellow line is acting as support, guys. So yeah, so we are ranging between those two here, as you can see. And you could either, for example, enter a long trade with a stop loss below the yellow line here, or let's say if we would break below this with a 4-hourly close, yeah, this is actually really a good trade then anyway, because this red line will act as support. But this would be a potential short trade scenario. But this red line at around 3k is strong support. So it's more likely, or I'd say the better trade setup would be a long trade from yeah, if we get a bounce here, to at least up here. So that's what's going on right now, guys. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you